Take a good look at all of this masterpiece. Look at this work of art. Just take a good look at all of them. Now, if you want to master this thing, if you want to be a pro in graphic design just like this and be able to create wonderful images like this, then this video is for you, where you can be charging over 200,000 to $1 million for just a logo. Now let me introduce the person behind all of these wonderful pieces of art, Oga Labo. Oga Labo has spent 10 years in the graphic design space, and I'm going to be collaborating with him, and we're going to be creating a wonderful masterpiece for you guys to expose the industry, to make you understand everything you need to know to become a pro in the graphic design industry, where you can be charging over 200,000 to $1 million for just a logo. And all of these things, Oga Labo is going to be answering them in few minutes in this interview. So let's head to the interview.
Hello everyone, my name is Emmanuel Samuel Labo and I am a graphic designer. I'm also into animation. Yeah, I've been in the industry for like a decade. Yeah, that question, your only limit is what is your mind. It's wide only if you open your mind, linking it or syncing it with the digital age. So the industry is wide and it's lucrative. I studied industrial design, but I discovered that industrial design is all encompassing. There are a lot of things I can major in. If I want to major in just text, I can major in that and make my millions. Just text, typography. I can major in just color. All right. Yes, I make my millions. All right. I can major in just motion graphics. I can major in just product design. I can major in so many things. All right. The options are limitless. Ooh, I'm laughing because I've been in a whole lot of congested situation. Rule of thumb: professionalism for me, how I define it is professionalism is simplicity with a justifiable rationale. Period. So the more you keep it simple, the more you meet up deadlines. It's as easy as that. All right, you make it complex, you get yourself into trouble because you have too many elements on the design that the client have to review. All right, so keep it simple and straightforward. Right, every human being on planet Earth has 24 hours, right? Okay, so what makes you stand out is how you are able to utilize that 24 hours, all right, to do more. And how will you do more? I give you a simple technique and trick that works. If you want to do more with your 24 hours, simply have a work plan. What I mean by work plan is outlining every activity you want to do per day, all right, per day, and also timeline it. Okay, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this. All right. If it's 5 tasks that you have for the day, write it down in form of a work plan. All right. Then write the time frame for each of the activity, and also have a column that you have what remark. That is like a tracker for you. It's telling you whether the activity is pending or is ongoing or it's what completed. Maximize their time and then have time allocated for every activity. Thank you. I rarely do a work for a client and he says no. I wish there's something I can share with you on this platform, but please make sure you enroll for the monetized version because I'm going to be dishing out some premium information. Okay. All right. Now, personally, I've never worked for a client and he disliked my work. Why? Because at some point of my brief, I engaged them in the design. All right. I know that's sounding like, oh, it's new. All right. You find more information about that in the monetized version. All right. But one of the ways that will get your design to be approved always by your client is there is a lot of psychology in design. And that psychology is one, understand the design brief, understand your client's brief. What I mean by brief is the information he's giving you about his company and what he wants. Understand what your client wants, all right, the need. All right, understand the company, do a research. The first stage in my design is research. After brief, I collect brief from the client. What I do is I go for my research. I have 7 processes, 7 solid processes before every design, all right, it's rendered. So I can't follow through 7 processes, and 7 is a number of perfection. So how will you follow 7 processes and then your client sees your design and you engage him at some point in the design and he will dislike it? So these are a lot of information that a lot of designers out there, not everybody have the opportunity to get this information. And I really like to say kudos to the organizer of this, all right, because I'm going to be exposing a lot of things, all right, you wouldn't want to miss in the paid version of this, all right. Cheers. As a designer, you are not alone in the industry, all right. What I keep telling designers is don't at any point be a local champion, all right. Don't feel okay, I'm the best designer in my area and you feel like okay, I'm the king. Always go online, go and see what other designers, professional designers, not just any designers, are doing, all right, in relation what is obtainable, all right, online. Go and check global standard, that's what I'm talking about. Check on daily basis, subscribe to design channels that will enrich you, okay. If subscribe, you keep getting updates, all right. And that's why I talked about the 7-fold steps in design and what to do when a client gives you a job, okay. And I told you guys from the previous response that after your brief, when you have collected your brief from your client, the next thing is research. What are you doing in the research? You are checking, all right. Okay, this company, because there's a lot of psychology in design. In fact, there is a problem solving aspect of design, all right. Design has gone past the aesthetics, the beauty, and now we're in problem solving aspect of design. So if I go really deep, you understand that this design is not just about beauty, it's not just about the elements, but there's a lot. Design can kill. Yes, hear me loud and clear. Design can kill.
Now I have a gift for you, but you have to stick to the end of this video. Now I'm going to be giving you guys my graphic design ebook for free. It's down below. Click the link under this video and get the book for free.
Don't chase, attract. 90% of my clients have been based on referrals. So when you get referrals and recommendations, people are ready to pay premium prices, okay, without argument. If you can be able to give a service that others are not giving, there are some basic tool sets that as a graphic designer you must have. One of the non-negotiable tool set is your laptop, a design friendly or graphic friendly laptop, all right. Another one is your graphic tablet, all right. You can buy the Kuion. I would recommend the Kuion tablet, okay. This is one quite handy tablet you can use for illustration. This is a pen, okay. It gives you a lot of flexibility in design. We have Surface Studio, the bigger version of this, okay, and the likes, and also your headphone, all right. All those ones are secondary. With all this being said, okay, I'll be giving out a course which we are going to be disclosing premium information that is going to change your life from that you feel you cannot collect a contract in millions, okay. Give you also some tricks how to get connections. Is you attract, you don't chase, okay, and you attract by what you are becoming by day and how much information you know, how much problem you are solving, and who you are solving it for. Okay, that's what gets you before kings and queens. So I'm going to be showing you all of those things, my devices, how I use them, all right. Yeah, the softwares I use, because we have hard tools and we have soft tools. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you all the hacks on how to get all those things, okay, so that you stand out in your graphic design career. simply go to the link below and register right now, okay, so that you get access to all of this.
If you've gotten value from this video, the advanced graphic design course is going to be launching on the 20th of April. Now this course is worth 20,000 naira, but if you register with the link in the description of this video now, you're going to get access to 50% discount, which you're going to be paying 10,000 naira only before the launching date. So act fast now, tap on the first link under this video and book your slot. You're going to pay only 5,000 naira to book your slot, so that we're going to maintain your slot for you before the launching date. See you guys in class.